Coppell, Texas is the ideal location for top-notch window installation services, offering a wide range of replacement windows Coppell to enhance your home's comfort and style. Our expert window contractors in Coppell specialize in providing high-quality vinyl windows and double-hung windows, ensuring durability and aesthetic appeal for your property. For those seeking custom windows in Coppell, TX, our window experts offer personalized solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're interested in bay windows or sliding windows, our Coppell window services provide a variety of window styles and designs to choose from. Window replacement services in Coppell are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your home windows. Our skilled technicians offer comprehensive window maintenance and replacement solutions, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Replacement Windows Coppell services are designed to upgrade your home with the latest window materials and insulation technologies. Our window options include energy-efficient windows that help reduce energy costs while enhancing the overall comfort of your home. For those in need of window glass replacement in Coppell, our window contractors provide expert services to ensure your windows are both functional and visually appealing. We offer a wide range of window frames and materials to suit any architectural style. Coppell window consultation services are available to help you make informed decisions about your window upgrades. Our window quotes are competitive, ensuring you receive the best value for your investment in home window services. Enhance your home's curb appeal with our Coppell Bay window installation services. Our window designs are crafted to complement your home's architecture while providing additional natural light and space. Sliding windows in Coppell, Texas, offer a sleek and modern look for any home. Our window solutions include a variety of styles and materials to match your personal taste in home design. Coppell window insulation services are crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our energy-efficient windows are designed to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer, reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems. Trust our Coppell window experts to deliver exceptional window services that meet your needs and exceed your expectations. From window consultation to installation, we provide comprehensive solutions for all your window needs in Coppell, Texas. Our replacement windows Coppell options include a diverse selection of window materials, ensuring you find the perfect match for your home's aesthetic and functional requirements. Whether you prefer traditional or contemporary window styles, we have the expertise to deliver outstanding results. Choose our Coppell window solutions for reliable and efficient window services that enhance your home's value and appeal. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction makes us the preferred choice for window installation and replacement in Coppell, Texas.